Hi everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another project. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poor Man, and today we're going to show you our bedroom renovation.
So today we're just going to show you what we did to our spare rooms. It incorporates all the other stuff that we've done in the past, but instead of showing you those same steps over again, we just wanted to let people know that, hey, you can do these things for yourself. Hopefully you can get these type results or even something even better that you like. So let's take a look at what we did.
And don't forget, please subscribe. We started the renovation by removing the beat-up old blinds.
All faceplates were removed to be cleaned up or replaced. Next, we removed the ginormous fan that took up 1/3 of the room.
Then came the broken smoke detectors and air vents.
Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Portman and I want to introduce you to our pink room. Now as you can see, we have, or Mr. Portman has totally remodeled the room, as to speak, for our walls. And we're going to transform this into a beautiful area.
Before we can paint the desired color, we need some serious primer first. And now we get to start painting.
We chose a color called tiramisu. Seems all of our colors are based on food.
Time to reinstall hardware in the room. We selected a smaller, more efficient fan this time.
Now for the new vertical blinds.
More rooms where we had to replace the carpeting in order to install flooring. I'm sorry. Okay, everyone, just having a little bit of fun here. But first of all, I wanted to point out something that we're going to be doing today. We're going to be painting some more baseboards. However, what we're going to be using is this new spray shelter that my contributors, or better known as family members who pooled our funds and got a Christmas gift for us. They don't realize what they bought us, but this is what you bought. Thank you very much. We used to be painting everything during the renovations in our smaller bedroom, but we have now renovated that room and completed it, so we can't spray paint in there. And we've been wanting to do it elsewhere, but we don't want to ruin the garage or outside and get on the neighbors and so forth. So we now have a spray paint area that's all contained, and we're going to be using this to spray our baseboards. So let's take a look how this works out.
Before we installed the baseboards, we filled the gaps with silicone.
Time for my nail gun. Yippee-ki-yay! A little patching and sanding, then touch-up paint.
We used caulk to seal the gaps, then hid wires with conduit and painted it to match the wall.
Added new faceplates.
For the final touches, we purchased some inexpensive decorations and hung them.
Abstract is so us. A wall clock and flowers to finish it.
Ta-da! Here's the final result.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Next week we're going to show you how we renovated our Murphy beds for the new place that we live in. So until then, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.